What's going on, guys? It's your boy V from Superline. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how we generated over $50,000 in less than 30 days using SMS marketing. To give y'all some context, 30 days ago, we did not have any sort of SMS marketing. So E brought me on board back in February, and one thing I've been working on is getting this SMS marketing up and running. And if y'all are also new to SMS marketing, the platform that you want to go with is Attentive. It's kind of like how we use Shopify to build e-commerce stores. Attentive is the Shopify of the SMS marketing space. It's super easy to use, super easy to set up, and pretty much every single big brand that does SMS marketing is using Attentive. I'm talking brands like Fashion Nova, Steve Madden, Coach, Young and Reckless. Like, if y'all want, you can look at other softwares that offer SMS marketing. But from my experience and seeing what all these really big companies use, you want to be using Attentive. Okay, now that y'all know we're using Attentive, I'm gonna hop in my computer and break down how we did this. Alright, now that I'm logged into Attentive, y'all can see on the right, in the past 30 days, we've generated over $50,000 and we have about 10,000 new SMS subscribers. And below our performance, y'all can see that out of that 50 grand, about 30K came from campaigns and 20K came from journeys. So before I get into campaigns and journeys, I'm gonna talk about how we got to 10,000 SMS subscribers. So if y'all can see on the left, Attentive is split up between growth, audience, messaging, analytics, and setup. So we're gonna head over to the growth tab and look at these sign-up units that we created. So sign-up units are essentially when you capture new SMS subscribers. So this could be a pop-up on your website or a landing page. So as y'all can see, a large amount of SMS subscribers came from our landing pages. So let me hop in and show you what one of our landing pages looked like. So this is an example of one of the landing pages we built out and blasted on social media. So because we're a wholesale blank company, a lot of our customers own clothing brands. Because of this, we knew our customers would resonate with things like free mock-up packs and access to manufacturers. We ended up getting over 500 SMS subscribers just from this landing page. So as y'all can see, after somebody inputs their phone number, they're gonna get a text from Attentive. And if they reply Y to that text, they'll get access to the free manufacturer as well as be added to our SMS subscriber database. Here's a look at the actual journey that we used for this landing page. So as you can see, when somebody types Y, they get a message that says, welcome, click here to download our stacked sweatpants manufacturer. So that link actually goes to a Google Drive folder with manufacturer information. So here's a look at another landing page we did where if customers signed up, they would get access to a free mock-up pack. So the key takeaway of this is to think from your customer's perspective. Our landing pages look like this because we're a wholesale blank company. I would say most commonly, a lot of brands offer discounts as an incentive for customers to sign up, but I really encourage y'all to get creative with it and think about what your customers want. For example, I'm just thinking out loud, but if you owned a restaurant and you wanted to collect as many SMS subscribers as possible, maybe you create a landing page about a free recipe. Or maybe it's a BOGO discount that they can redeem in your store. If you provide value to your customers, whether it be through something free or even a discount, it's gonna incentivize them to sign up to be on your SMS list. Okay, so now I'm gonna move into campaigns. And if y'all remember, campaigns were responsible for the majority of our revenue during the last 30 days. For simplicity reasons, campaigns are essentially just text blasts. They're a singular text message that goes to all of your SMS subscribers. So yes, you can segment your subscribers based on certain attributes, if they bought this item or didn't buy this item, but all the campaigns that you see right here are simple text blasts to our entire database. Of course, as we continue to use Attentive, we're gonna evolve our campaign strategy, but in the past 30 days, we've kept it pretty simple and it's been working. So on the right, you can see the revenue that our campaigns generated, and what we found is the best performing campaigns were often the ones with new products or discounts. So here's our most recent campaign. Flare joggers are back in stock, only $25 each. Get yours today before we sell out. As you can see, we added some emojis to make it less corporate, seem like someone's actually texting you. And we also have a call to action, get yours today before we sell out. And we're not just saying that for the purpose of saying it, like these sweatpants actually sold out, but you do want to have some sort of call to action and sense of urgency so your customers are more inclined to click and make that purchase. Okay, so campaigns are pretty simple, so now I'm gonna briefly go through journeys and show y'all how that has been making us money as well. Okay, so before I start talking about journeys, let me tell you guys what a journey actually is. So all a journey is the flow of text that your customers are going to receive when they sign up for SMS. So as you can see, this journey here has made us $15,000 and has 3 active sources. So 2 of those sources are landing pages that we built out, and one of them is a pop-up that comes up on our website that we're testing. So after a customer enters this journey and they get our welcome text, if they reply yes, they're entered into our SMS customer database, and they also get to download their free mockup pack. So Attentive actually has a huge library of pre-built journeys that they recommend to turn on. Here's another one for cart abandonment, and you'll see that it generated over $2,000 for us. Cart abandonment pretty much does what it says. If somebody abandons their cart, they'll actually get a text message saying, hey, you left something in your cart. Click here to check out. Now, SMS marketing can become a lot more complicated than this. We've only been doing this for a few weeks, but we wanted to show y'all what we've learned so far, and hopefully it could help you with your brand or online business. If y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Drop a comment down below of what type of videos y'all want to see on the Superline page. You know we stay giving y'all free game.